not just for all of us here at Tata Technologies, but for the students and industry professionals of Jammu and Kashmir. Today, Tata Technologies and the Government Polytechnic of Baramulla and Government Polytechnic of Jammu, both represented by the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, signed a landmark MOU to establishment of two CIITs in Jammu and Kashmir. CIIT stands for Center of Innovation, Invention, Incubation and Training is something that has 9 competency centers under each location. These two centers are aimed to train the students and impart the required industry skills, specifically targeting to manufacturing, automotive and IT industries. The 9 competency centers would include skills like IoT, mechatronics, manufacturing engineering services, and advanced manufacturing, to name a few. Tata Technologies over the last several years have invested in quite a few education initiatives. We believe while academia and industry are inextricably linked, they often don't operate in unison. In fact, they are not aligned. To give you an example, the entire mobility transformation that's happening in the world is rapidly moving towards electrified, connected vehicles. That kind of technology or education is still not reached our students. The CIIT centers both at Baramulla and Jammu would be used to establish a world-class platform which will not only train the students of these two institutes but can be extended to the unemployed youth, the engineering graduates, as well as some industries professionals to basically leverage these centers. Tata Technologies has been at the forefront of this for last several years. As I mentioned, we have created an industry within the campus, because when we realized what would it take for us to change and bridge this gap between industry and academia, what if we could co-author curriculums, we could co-author the syllabus and ensure that we get the industry-centric content and the industry-centric hands-on experience for the students right in the campus while they're graduating. So when they do graduate, there is a ready engineer that industry benefits from them, and the students also get benefited with having acquired the latest technologies and tools to find better paying jobs. And that's what is the core of the CIIT's philosophy, to make the centers unique, and one of its kind, to create a bold outcome-based approach of education. And this is what will turn the students of today into workforce-ready professionals of tomorrow. I really am very excited to be the part of this journey, and this would not have been possible without few acknowledgements. First and foremost, I want to ensure that the centers operate in unison or help the Make in India initiative, which is driven by the Government of India. Also, I would like to thank Lieutenant Governor Mr. Murmu to give his thought leadership and mentorship to establish these centers. Without his leadership, this would not have been possible. So thank you, sir. Thank you. I really appreciate all the hard work your team has put in. Also, I would like to thank the Principal Secretary of Technical Education, Mr. Naveen Chaudhary, and his team to make this happen, and several other officials of the Jammu and Kashmir government. Without the help and support provided, we would not have been reaching where we have reached today. So my sincere thanks to the entire team of Jammu and Kashmir officials for bringing this concept to the fruition. With that, I really wish everybody the very best and ensure that we will work together to make the CIIT success and have a phase 2 in Jammu and Kashmir soon. Thank you so much.